I should just slurp it.
We're in downtown Seattle, and we came to visit Cisco before he actually comes and sees us when we go hiking on the weekend. Cheese. Just waiting for me. Like a tourist. My sisters took me on this hike here in Washington. It's called Franklin Falls, and it was absolutely stunning. And now we're walking back. Woo, woo, woo. And supposedly the water's really good. I know it's Judy Time lives here, and I think that would be so cool if I literally ran into her like on this trail, and it freaking sucks. It's Judy Time because I love her. Her husband, he does lots of workouts, but I don't think they live over here. All right, so I'm at my sister's house in Washington, and she got a Louis bag. I'm gonna watch her unbox her bag. She ended up switching from a Speedy 25 to a Speedy 30 bandolier. I had exchanged it for her because she was working, and so this is her first time actually seeing the purse. All right, Becky, are you ready? Are you like excited for your bag?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Shut up. Ew.
I'm a Louis Vuitton virgin. This is my first one.
How exciting.
Oh my god.
All you have to do
What happened?
is just pull it down.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Wow.
This is insane.
Wow. How exciting.
Oh my god. Oh my
Speedy 30 bandolier.
Ooh, fancy. Look at that. Can't wait to wear it.
Wow, let's check it out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is gorgeous.
Is this the longest it can be?
No, you can adjust it.
Okay, let's adjust it because I want it long and strong.
So originally she had the Speedy 25 and the LV mono, but she ended up changing her mind. She wanted a bigger one, and she likes the darker leather, and she wanted the checker design versus the LV design. And so yeah, this is so pretty. You thought long and hard about it?
Yes, I did. I thought about it for days. Okay, I'm going to put some stuff in it so I can hold it. And this is how I'll hold it. So, let's put one of these in here just to see. How does it go?
Yeah.
Does it go like that?
Mm-hmm.
So this is how I'll wear it.
How pretty. You can loosen the straps to make it longer. How pretty. Walk up the hill for some exercise. It's windy as hell, and it doesn't look steep from here, but it really is. Chin, you're such a bad influence on me. Why? You're so bad. Bye.
And I'm going to hold it up to the chart so you can see. I'm already in the high yellow, and we'll just let that sit here. That's actually going to turn orange as it sits there. This other glass here, I'm going to put 3 of my fingers, there's nothing up my sleeve, for 5 seconds. So we'll do 1 and 5 seconds. We're going to get the chlorine drops right next to them. We're going to put the same amount of drops. I could put the whole bottle in here, it doesn't really matter. And we're going to give it a stir just like we did that one. Now see how orange this one got? I didn't lie to you. I will hold this up to the chart. Hopefully you can all see this. This is crystal clear. There's no chlorine in that anymore. My question to you, especially the new people, where do you think that chlorine went?
Like your skin.
It absorbed into my fingers.
Okay, so my sisters and I, we went to this Kagan demonstration today, and she doesn't believe one of the demos that he did. So, demonstrations that she doesn't believe is with the Kagan water in one, and then with regular tap water in the other. She thinks that his Kagan water or his alkaline water was warm. So we're gonna test it out.
In water first or tap water first?
Tap water.
Oh, well, I want to drink this, so I'm going to use one that I don't like then.
Oh, okay, so she's pouring in the tap water. Okay, letting it sit. And then I am going to take the Kagan water.
And put it in there. Wait, no, you have to do it over the tea bag. You have to pour it over the tea bag.
And then
Whoa,
this is with regular
it does.
cold Kagan water. And so basically you're wrong. Can you believe that? The Kagan water makes such a difference. Are you going to drink this tea? Because I don't want to waste
No, I
water.
don't like this, but try it. You might like it. It's ginger.
Okay, so now look at the difference in the cups.
Wow, it does work.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't even need to have hot water.
Yep, because this is cold water.
Oh my gosh, amazing!
Happy 5-year anniversary, Bo. Oh my gosh.
Oh. How you eat a mussel? No.
Cheers! Clink, 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 clink.
Whoa! I know, isn't it? Hunter! Hunter! Hi!
Uh-oh, someone's in a food coma. Cool little bike down in the waterfront. Beautiful.
You're in control. Oh my god! Oh.
Wow, no hands.
Oh wow, oh. Oh wow, oh gosh. You're doing all the work, that's why it's so easy for me.
So I am the husband, you're the wife, because you cook and then I clean. How do you like that, wifey? My niece is getting her wisdom teeth pulled. We're in downtown Seattle, waiting for my niece's wisdom teeth.
Just really, really soft and mushy foods. Okay, so like mashed potatoes, overboiled pasta, that kind of consistency. Any questions so far? A few different ones. Together, they really sedate the patient really well.
So we just finished getting my niece's wisdom teeth pulled out, and holy moly, she's worried. And
Hey, Anthony, sit in the front because I gotta do her mouth.
Yeah, you should.
I'll sit in the back with her.
my sister's worried about her, even though she's fine.
And she is high.
She
She's high on
said
drugs.
she said she's perfectly okay. She said she could drive if she wanted us
Your
to.
gauze is, your cotton is soaked. We have to get it put on the one.
Becky, it's not soaked.
Look at it. It's red.
It needs to. It's gonna be like that.
It's gonna be red as blood.
It's the best massage ever. You guys need to go to Happy Foot in Federal Way. If you're in Washington, it's only $25 and it's a full body massage. They massage your butt, Becky? Did the guy massage your butt?
Yes, he massaged my pussy. He massaged everything.
It's the day before I have to leave, and I just don't understand. My sister is so into this England show. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to go to bed.
We want that controller.
No, we're not playing.
No, honey.
We're not playing right now.
It's okay. You don't need it anyway.
See you next month.
I mean.